Are you ready to uncover the secret formula for hitting the top of the Amazon bestseller list? If you've ever dreamed of seeing your book rocket up the charts, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into tried and true methods that some of the world's most successful authors swear by. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to captivate readers and dominate your genre. In this comprehensive guide for aspiring authors, we'll walk through 5 key chapters, guaranteed to transform how you plan, write, and launch your book. Let's get started. Did you know that most writers never achieve bestseller status simply because they ignore one crucial element, reader expectations? If your first page doesn't grab readers, they'll abandon your story faster than you can say, plot twist. Here are some insider tactics recommended by top-selling authors. You're not just writing for yourself, you're writing for an audience. Neglecting the needs and desires of your readers is a fast track to failure. Think of the opening like a movie trailer. If you don't wow readers from the first paragraph, you risk losing them entirely. Start with a question, a shocking fact, or a dramatic scene. Romance, thriller, fantasy, each genre has its own set of rules and tropes. Respect them, or risk alienating dedicated fans. But don't forget to add your unique spin. Keep these points in mind, and you'll already be one step closer to bestseller success. Now let's explore how to craft a story that keeps people hooked until the very last page. A memorable story doesn't happen by accident, it's carefully constructed. Successful authors often emphasize these techniques. Start with what-if scenarios that spark curiosity. What if an ancient secret threatened modern society? Or what if an everyday object had supernatural powers? Characters are the lifeblood of your book. Give them believable flaws, real desires, and emotional journeys. When readers connect with characters, they'll follow the story anywhere. End chapters with a moment of tension or a surprising twist. This breadcrumb approach keeps your audience turning pages into the night. That's the recipe for a story that resonates. Next, we'll explore how to ensure every word you write serves a purpose. Let's dive in. Even the most riveting plot can fall flat if the writing isn't purposeful. Here's what seasoned authors recommend for intentional storytelling. Are you aiming for teens, mystery lovers, or historical fiction buffs? Shape your vocabulary, tone, and themes around that group to maximize impact. Show, don't tell. Use sensory details, sounds, smells, textures to paint a vivid scene. Let your readers the atmosphere, whether it's a bustling city or a secret magical realm. Word choice matters. Vary sentence structure, sprinkle in metaphors, and maintain clarity. Keep your readers engaged and eager to see what comes next. Writing with clear intent ensures every chapter supports the heart of your story. But a finished manuscript is only half the battle. You've polished your manuscript, now you need to get it out into the world. Here are some insights from experienced authors on publishing smart. Don't shoehorn your story into a trendy genre. Align it with its natural audience to give it the best chance at success. Traditional publishing typically involves agents, publishing houses, and potential advances. Pros, professional editing and established distribution. Cons, less control, slower timeline. Self-publishing, full creative control, higher royalties, and flexible timelines. Cons, you handle marketing, cover design, and more on your own. Think beyond social media. Consider email newsletters, book blog tours, or virtual launch parties. Collaborate with fellow authors to cross-promote and expand your reach. Align your work with the right publishing path and a solid marketing plan, and you'll significantly increase your chances of hitting that bestseller label. Finally, let's talk about growing your author brand. A single bestseller is fantastic, but a sustainable career is even better. Here's how successful authors build lasting legacies. Engage regularly with your readers. Host Quandas, share behind-the-scenes content, and be open to feedback. Genuine connections foster loyal fans. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter offer massive potential for building visibility. Share writing tips, character art, or short excerpts to pique interest. Writing communities, both online and in person, help you find beta readers, collaboration partners, and even friends who can motivate you through creative slumps. Cultivating a robust author platform ensures your future projects also gain traction and keeps you excited about writing. Let's recap the 5 essential steps to bestseller status. Insider tactics. Know your audience, captivate them from the get-go, and respect genre norms. Crafting captivating stories. Develop memorable plots and relatable characters. Writing with intention. Aim for a specific audience and immerse them in well-built worlds. Mastering the publishing landscape. Select the right genre and publishing route, then market effectively. Authorial impact. Build a loyal fan base, use social media strategically, and network with fellow writers. Additionally, understanding your reader demographics is another crucial first step to achieving bestseller success. Research shows that books tailored to a specific audience have a 60% higher chance of becoming bestsellers. For instance, J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series resonated deeply with young adults and fantasy lovers, contributing significantly to its global success. Statistics reveal that knowing your audience's preferences can increase engagement by 45%. Take romance author Nora Roberts, who consistently writes for an audience that craves compelling love stories with strong characters. This targeted approach has led her to sell over 400 million copies worldwide. By diving deep into reader demographics, age, gender, interests, and reading habits, you can craft stories that truly connect. Platforms like Goodreads and Amazon provide invaluable insights into what your potential readers are looking for. This data-driven strategy helps you not only to write better but also to market your book effectively, ensuring it reaches the right readers. So, don't just write for yourself, write with your audience in mind. This understanding can be the difference between a book that sits on the shelf and one that flies off it. Remember, knowing your reader is not just a strategy, it's the key to lasting success in the literary world. Now, self-publishing can be pretty competitive, but employing effective writing and marketing strategies can make all the difference in turning your manuscript into a bestseller. One such strategy is leveraging pre-orders to gauge interest and build momentum. According to data from BookBub, books that have strong pre-order campaigns see a 20% increase in launch week sales. For example, the pre-order campaign for The Girl on the Train by Paula Hawkins helped propel it to the top of bestseller lists upon release. Another critical strategy is optimizing your book's metadata. Studies from Bowker show that books with well-crafted metadata, such as targeted keywords and compelling book descriptions, are 60% more likely to be discovered by readers online. Take the case of The Martian by Andy Weir, where effective use of metadata played a significant role in its viral success. Additionally, building an author platform is essential. Authors who actively engage with their audience through social media, blogs, and newsletters report a 30% increase in reader loyalty and book sales. Self-published author Mark Dawson, for instance, credits his email list and Facebook ads for his substantial sales figures, proving that a robust online presence can translate to real-world success. Collaborating with influencers and book bloggers can also amplify your reach. A survey by Written Word Media found that books reviewed by popular bloggers and influencers see an average sales increase of 25%. The endorsement of influential figures lends credibility and exposes your book to a wider audience. Lastly, never underestimate the power of a professional book cover. Research from the Book Smugglers indicates that 79% of readers say the cover plays a significant role in their decision to purchase a book. Investing in a high-quality cover design can thus be a game-changer, as seen with the iconic covers of the Twilight series by Stephenie Meyer. By combining these strategies, pre-orders, optimized metadata, a strong author platform, influencer collaborations, and professional cover design, you can significantly enhance your book's visibility and sales. Remember, effective publishing is not just about writing a great book, it's about strategically positioning it for success in a crowded market. Besides, building a lasting legacy through storytelling is not just an art, it's a powerful way to impact future generations. According to a study by the University of Southern California, stories that resonate emotionally can increase retention rates by up to 70%. This means your story has the potential to be remembered and cherished for decades. Take the example of J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series. Beyond its commercial success, the series has left an indelible mark on readers across the globe. A report by Scholastic revealed that 61% of children said the series helped them enjoy reading more, proving that impactful storytelling can inspire lifelong reading habits. Moreover, stories that tackle universal themes and human experiences often stand the test of time. Harper Lee's To Kill a Mockingbird, published over 60 years ago, still resonates with readers today. A survey by the American Library Association found that it remains one of the most frequently taught books in American schools, highlighting its enduring relevance. Another key to building a legacy is creating relatable and multidimensional characters. George R.R. Martin's A Song of Ice and Fire series, which inspired the TV phenomenon Game of Thrones, is a prime example. The complex characters and intricate narratives have captivated millions, leading to a dedicated fan base that continues to grow even after the series' conclusion. Incorporating cultural and historical contexts can also enrich your storytelling. Roots by Alex Haley is a seminal work that shed light on African American history and heritage. Its profound impact was evidenced by the fact that the television adaptation drew an audience of 130 million viewers, making it one of the most watched series in history. Lastly, leveraging multimedia platforms can amplify your story's reach and legacy. The Star Wars franchise, created by George Lucas, has expanded beyond films to include books, comics, and animated series. According to Forbes, the franchise is valued at over $70 billion, demonstrating how storytelling across various media can create a lasting cultural phenomenon. By focusing on emotional resonance, universal themes, relatable characters, cultural contexts, and multimedia platforms, you can craft stories that not only captivate, but also endure. Remember, every story you tell has the potential to leave a legacy that transcends time and space. Ready to turn your writing dreams into reality? Put these proven tips into action and watch your book edge closer to that coveted bestseller spot. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more writing inspiration, and check out my other videos for additional insights. Thanks for tuning in. Now go unleash your stories on the world.